everybody, my name's Keely. I'm an account manager here at Synergy Insurance Group, and we just wanted to take a couple minutes to go over some tips for your insurance for this summer season we have coming up. So whether you're pulling a boat or a car out of storage, if you're opening your pool, or if you're renting or purchasing a summer home, we just wanted to go over some coverage issues with you to make sure you're properly insured. So with these summer months coming up, we know that you guys are going to be spending time on the water. So just make sure you check with your agent to make sure you have property liability coverages. We understand that accidents happen, and we just want to make sure that you and the ones around you are protected. Also, as you open your pool this summer, you may want to look at adding an umbrella policy in addition to your home liability coverages. You also want to make sure you check with your safety guidelines on your homeowner's policy and make sure you have proper fencing to protect small children, check your chlorine levels, and just some other additional things to look at on your policy. Watercraft policies, such as boats or jet skis, have a higher liability risk. So make sure you talk with your agent to ensure that your boat has the proper liability coverages to ensure whether your boat is lost or may be damaged. You also want to make sure you have enough liability coverage to cover those people who may be hurt or their property damaged if they're on your boat. Also, these policies can be suspended during those winter months when you're not using them. And lastly, you want to make sure that you check your boat before you take it out on the water, just to ensure that everything is working properly. Make sure you check that you have enough fuel in your engine. Check your cords on your boat, make sure none of them are frayed or disconnected or there's any loose wiring out there. Also, you want to make sure you check your radios and your telecommunication system so that if there is something that goes wrong, you have a way to communicate with someone for help. Lastly, we want to talk about those fun antique classic cars you may have put in storage for the winter. Now that you're taking them out, you want to make sure that you call your agent and let them know to put coverage back on your vehicle. Also, with classic cars, some of them may require their own separate policies because of their limited use and high value. So you want to make sure they're covered properly with your agent. Thanks for tuning in and watching our video today, guys. That's all we have for you in terms of summer tips. If you have any questions, our website is in the description below, so please feel free to go take a look. Also, make sure you tune in next month for our video about event planning. And if you have any big events coming up, making sure that you're properly insured for those fun times you have coming up. Thanks, guys.